If you search ChatGPT Advanced Tips, here's the answer in one sentence. The biggest game changer is using custom instructions, combined with the memory feature to build persistent context that makes every conversation smarter than the last. But that's just the beginning. In the next 9 minutes, I'll show you 12 advanced techniques that separate casual ChatGPT users from power users who get 10x better results. Most people treat ChatGPT like Google with a personality. They type a question, get an answer, and move on. That approach leaves 90% of ChatGPT's capabilities on the table. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make ChatGPT remember your preferences, iterate on complex projects, and integrate into your actual workflow. Here's what happens when you don't use ChatGPT Advanced Tips. According to OpenAI's usage data from 25, 78% of users never customize their settings, and the average conversation is just 2.3 messages long. That means most people are using a Ferrari in first gear. A Stanford study published in January 25 found that users who apply advanced prompting techniques get responses that are rated 64% more useful by independent evaluators compared to basic prompts. The difference isn't the AI, it's the technique. The third statistic you need to know. According to productivity research from MIT's AI lab, professionals who integrate ChatGPT properly into their workflow save an average of 7.2 hours per week. That's nearly a full workday returned to you every single week. I test AI tools like this every week. Subscribe if you want the honest numbers before you pay for anything. Let's start with the foundation. Custom instructions. This feature is hidden in your settings, and it's criminally underused. Custom instructions let you tell ChatGPT about yourself once, and it remembers that context in every conversation. Here's how to do it right. In the first box, answer these 4 things: your role or profession, your typical goals when using ChatGPT, your expertise level, and any specific constraints like word count preferences or tone. For example, I'm a product manager at a SaaS company. I use ChatGPT for user research analysis, feature prioritization, and writing product specs. I have 5 years of experience. I prefer concise responses under 200 words unless I ask for detail. In the second box, specify how you want responses formatted. Be specific. Use bullet points for lists. Start with a 1-sentence summary. Cite sources when making factual claims. Use second-person voice. Avoid corporate jargon. The more specific you are, the better every response becomes. Pro tip number 1 within this tip: update your custom instructions monthly. As your needs evolve, your AI should evolve with you. Memory is different from custom instructions. While custom instructions are rules, memory is facts. ChatGPT Plus users can enable memory in settings, and this is where ChatGPT transforms from a tool into an assistant that knows you. When memory is on, ChatGPT retains information across conversations. Tell it once that you're working on a React project with TypeScript, and it remembers. Mention your team's coding standards, and it applies them automatically in future chats. The advanced technique here is memory priming. Start a conversation specifically to teach ChatGPT about your context. Say, I want you to remember the following for all future conversations. I work with clients in healthcare. I need to follow HIPAA compliance. My writing style is professional but conversational, and I prefer examples over abstract explanations. That's memory priming, and it saves you from repeating yourself forever. You can view and manage memories in settings, delete outdated information, reinforce important preferences. Think of it as training your personal AI assistant. Now, let's talk about prompt engineering. The difference between a good prompt and a great one is structure. Here are 3 advanced frameworks that professionals use. Framework 1, RTF, Role Task Format. Start every complex prompt with these 3 elements. You are a senior copywriter. Role. Write 3 subject lines for a product launch email. Task. Format as a numbered list with a 1-line explanation for each format. This structure reduces ambiguity by 80%. Framework 2, Chain of Thought Prompting. For complex reasoning tasks, add this phrase. Let's work through this step by step. Research from Google DeepMind in 24 showed this simple addition improves accuracy on logic problems by 40%. It forces the AI to show its reasoning, which catches errors and improves output. Framework 3. Few-shot examples. Instead of describing what you want, show examples. If you want a specific email tone, paste 2 examples of emails you like, then say, write a new email in this style about topic. The AI learns from demonstration better than description. Bonus advanced technique, iterative refinement. Don't accept the first output. Reply with, make it 30% shorter, or add more technical depth, or rewrite the opening to be more engaging. Treat it like working with a human colleague. Canvas is ChatGPT's dedicated workspace for writing and coding projects, launched in late 24. Most users don't even know it exists. When you're working on anything longer than a few paragraphs, Canvas mode changes everything. To use Canvas, start a conversation and ask ChatGPT to write or code something substantial. It'll automatically suggest opening Canvas, or you can click the Canvas icon. Now you have a document on the right and chat on the left. The power move. Use inline suggestions. Highlight any section of text in Canvas and ask ChatGPT to revise just that part. Make this paragraph more persuasive, or simplify this function. It edits in place without regenerating the entire document. For code, Canvas shows a working file you can copy directly. Use comments to request changes. Add a comment like, make this async, and ask ChatGPT to implement it. It's collaborative editing with an AI pair programmer. Canvas also has version control. You can restore previous versions if an edit goes wrong. That's a safety net most users don't know exists. ChatGPT's voice mode is underrated. Available on mobile and desktop, it's not just speech to text, it's a natural conversation with vision capabilities. Advanced tip: use voice mode for brainstorming. When you're stuck on a problem, talk it through out loud with ChatGPT. The conversational flow often surfaces ideas that typing wouldn't. Research from Carnegie Mellon found verbal brainstorming with AI generates 43% more unique ideas than text-based prompting. Multimodal trick: combine voice with vision. Point your camera at a whiteboard, a chart, a physical object, and ask questions while speaking. What's the best way to organize this board, or explain this diagram? The AI processes visual and verbal input simultaneously. Pro tip: use the advanced voice mode, available in ChatGPT Plus, which offers more natural conversation flow and can detect emphasis and tone in your voice. It's the closest thing to talking with a human assistant. The real advanced move is integrating ChatGPT into your actual tools. Here's how professionals do it. Strategy 1. Browser extensions. The ChatGPT sidebar extension keeps AI available in any tab. Highlight text on any web page, right-click, and send it to ChatGPT for summary, translation, or analysis. This eliminates tab-switching friction that kills productivity. Strategy 2. API integration for repetitive tasks. If you do the same type of task weekly, like data analysis or report generation, use ChatGPT's API or tools like Zapier to automate it. A marketing team at a Fortune 500 company saved 15 hours per week by automating competitive analysis reports through ChatGPT's API. Strategy 3. Custom GPTs. Build your own specialized version of ChatGPT for specific tasks. Upload your company's style guide. Create a GPT that follows it automatically. Upload your coding standards. Create a GPT that reviews code against them. Custom GPTs are like hiring a specialist who already knows your requirements. The meta strategy: document your prompts. Keep a note file of your best prompts for recurring tasks. When you find a prompt that produces great results, save it. Build a personal prompt library. This compounds your effectiveness over time. These 12 ChatGPT advanced tips will transform how you use AI. Custom instructions to set your foundation, memory to build persistent context, RTF and chain of thought prompting for better outputs, Canvas for serious editing, voice mode for brainstorming, and integration strategies to embed ChatGPT in your workflow. The difference between knowing these techniques and using them is practice. Pick 3 tips from this video, implement them this week, and watch your results improve. If this answered your question, subscribe. We cover AI tools and news every week. If you found this useful, don't forget to hit the hype button. It helps the channel grow.